Hi and welcome. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Yeti for Christmas 4x6 clear stamp set. In this stamp set, you're getting two large images plus six sentiments. Now, these images are measuring 2 3/4 inches wide by 2 1/4 inches high, approximately on that little Yeti with the stockings. And then this little guy on the sleigh, he's coming in around 4 inches wide and about 2 1/8 of an inch high, just to give you an idea of how large those are. Now, you can keep the coloring real simple with these, or you can get detailed with it if you want. And you're going to see that in both the samples I'm going to be sharing with you in just a second. But these guys are so cute. I mean, those little faces are just adorable. So we really do appreciate you checking out the product reveal videos. We hope that they're helpful to you. For more inspiration using the Yeti for Christmas stamp set, be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We love to see your projects there as well. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.